Extreme nose blackhead extraction pore by pore deep clean transformation. At first glance, these tiny dark dots on the nose may not look serious. But under extreme close-up lighting, the pores reveal years of trapped oil, dead skin, sweat, and pollution compressed deep inside the skin. Some pores stay stretched for so long that the buildup hardens like tiny plugs buried beneath the surface. This is where normal cleansing stops working and deep pore cleaning becomes necessary. Not all blackheads are the same. Some sit near the surface and slide out easily, while others become compacted deep inside enlarged pores. In oily skin, the nose constantly produces sebum throughout the day, which mixes with dead skin and slowly thickens inside the pore canal. Over time, this creates dense blackhead clusters that look almost embedded into the skin. Before extraction starts, the skin needs preparation. Warm steam softens hardened oil plugs and loosens congestion hidden deep inside the pores. As the skin warms up, the pore openings relax slightly, making extraction smoother and less aggressive. This preparation stage is often ignored, but it changes how easily buildup can be removed. The first few extractions reveal thick oxidized oil plugs trapped inside enlarged pores. Some blackheads come out in long thread-like shapes, while others break apart because they have hardened over time. Under macro lighting, every pore looks like a tiny tunnel packed with congestion collected over months or even years. As more pores are cleaned, the skin texture slowly changes. Areas that looked rough and uneven begin appearing smoother because the heavy surface congestion has been removed. The shine on oily skin also starts looking different, not greasy and thick, but more balanced and natural. Some pores release soft yellow sebaceous filaments instead of dark blackheads. These are often mistaken for acne, but they are actually part of the skin's natural oil system. In close-up views, sebaceous filaments look thinner, softer, and more uniform than hardened blackheads. They refill naturally because the skin continuously produces oil. The most difficult pores are usually around the center of the nose where oil production is strongest. These pores often contain multiple layers of buildup compressed together. Removing them requires controlled pressure because forcing them out too aggressively can damage the surrounding skin and leave redness behind. After the final cleansing stage, the pores appear visibly cleaner and the skin reflects light more evenly. The transformation is not about fake poreless skin, it is about removing heavy congestion so the skin can look healthier and smoother naturally. Realistic skin care results always keep natural skin texture visible. The reason blackheads return is simple: oily skin never stops producing sebum. Deep pore cleaning removes existing congestion, but maintaining results requires regular skin care, balanced cleansing, and oil control. Healthy pores are not empty pores, they are pores that stay balanced instead of overloaded with buildup. Real deep pore cleaning is not about forcing the skin to look perfect, it is about clearing years of buildup while keeping the skin healthy and balanced.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.